In this video, I am going to teach reduction of quadratic form to canonical form by orthogonal transformation and nature of quadratic form. What is the topic? Reduction of quadratic form to canonical form by orthogonal transformation and nature of quadratic form. So first of all, what is a quadratic form? A homogeneous polynomial of second degree in any number of variables is called quadratic form. For example, consider three variables x, y, z. So the quadratic form is x square plus 4y square plus 2z square plus 4xy 2xz plus 6yz, which is an example of quadratic form involving three variables x, y, z. So now what is the formula to form a matrix format? That is, the matrix of quadratic form is coefficient of x square and 1 by 2 into coefficient of xy, 1 by 2 into coefficient of xz. And similar way we write 1 by 2 into coefficient of yx, coefficient of y square, 1 by 2 into coefficient of yz, and 1 by 2 into coefficient of zx, 1 by 2 into coefficient of zy and coefficient of z square. So using this we form a matrix. First one, coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of x square is 1. So we write 1. Next 1 by 2 into coefficient of xy. So here 4. 1 by 2 into coefficient of xz. Here 2. So next one, 1 by 2 into coefficient of yx. Xy and yx will be same. Therefore 4. And coefficient of y square 4. And 1 by 2 into coefficient of yz 6. 1 by 2 into coefficient of zx and xz will be same. So 2. 1 by 2 into coefficient of zy and yz 6. And coefficient of z square, that is 2. Therefore the final matrix is 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3 and 2, which is the quadratic form, that is matrix form of quadratic form. So next one, how to find the nature of quadratic form. So in nature, first one, what is a index? Second one, signature. Third one, nature. So what is index? Index means number of positive square terms in canonical form. Number of positive square terms in canonical form. Next one, signature. What is signature? Number of positive minus number of negative terms, square terms in canonical form. Number of positive minus negative square terms in canonical form. So next one, nature. So based on the eigenvalues, we separate three types of nature. One is positive definite, Second one is negative definite. Third one, indefinite. So what is positive definite? All the eigenvalues are positive. Suppose we get a 3 by 3 matrix, both 3 eigenvalues are positive, means the nature is positive definite. All the eigenvalues are positive. Second one, negative. So all the eigenvalues are negative. What is indefinite means? Both the eigenvalues are both positive and negative. So other than that, we divide positive semi-definite and negative semi-definite. What is positive semi-definite means? Suppose we get 3 eigenvalues, 2 are positive and another one is 0, means we call it positive semi-definite. And similar way, negative semi-definite, suppose 3 eigenvalues, we got 3 eigenvalues, 2 eigenvalues are negative, 1 is 0, means we said negative semi-definite. Now we are going to see one example of nature. So all the natures we have to find using canonical form. So we write canonical form of 3y1 squared plus 2y2 squared minus 4y3 squared, which is an example of canonical form. So the eigenvalues are 3, 2 and minus 4. Therefore, the eigenvalues are 3, 2, minus 4. So in these 3 eigenvalues, 2 eigenvalues are positive and 1 is negative. Therefore, the nature is indefinite. Are you clear? 3 eigenvalues, 2 are positive, 1 is negative, then the nature is indefinite. Index. What is the definition of index? The number of positive square terms. So here 3 and 2, therefore the index is 2. And signature. What is the definition of signature? Number of positive square terms minus number of negative square terms. Here positive square terms is 2 minus negative square term 1. Therefore, the signature is 1. Hope you all understood this topic. Thank you for watching.